This is Garhwal Himalayas, 350 kilometers in length, bounded by river Kali in east and Satluj in west. These mighty mountains of Uttarakhand share border with Nepal in east and Tibet in north. Starting from base village Lohajung, the trek goes up high in these mountains. With mountains soaked in rays of setting sun, beautiful campsites, and valleys, this trek not only quenches the adventure thirst and heals spiritually in lap of mighty mountains, but also is a perfect winter trek for beginners. Somewhere high in these mountains lies a lake so ancient that it has been mentioned in mythology, known as Brahmatal. My name is Amar and we are driving to Lohajung. After driving few hours from Delhi, as the fog danced, we checked in a hotel to wake up in even denser fog.
हाँ यार कैसे चलाएंगे इसमें
We drive through Muradabad, Ranikhet, Bajnath and Gwaldam and reach Lohajung at 11 pm. Turn right from the crossroad and follow the trail on the right side of the building. The trail is well laid and as it climbs up, Mount Nandaghunti becomes visible. Walking few hundred meters after crossing the first bridge comes a small tea shop with beautiful open valley on the left, which makes it a perfect resting point. Left trail that climbs up after crossing the second bridge leads to Bekaltal. Although famous as Bekaltal campsite, locals call this place Khopadiyatal. The actual Bekaltal is few hundred meters above Khopadiatal. In local, Khopadiatal means skull. The depression looks like a skull and in monsoon as the water fills in, hence the name Khopadiatal.
The sparklings are ice on my tent. See, this is ice. We are camping 1 kilometer ahead of Bekaltal. Now, not a very good place to camp as it's a ridgeline and it's windy outside here. However, the view is very magnificent.
करना चाहता हूँ तो बता रहा था कि मैंने लिख तो दिया।
So this rocky patch needs to be crossed and then take a right. We came from this route. And we are heading to
Cross between the rocks and turn right. Cross the boulders on left to be on the right trail.
It's almost dark, 5:45. We are in the jungle, heading for Lohajung. Anil is behind me.